Welcome back. We are going to continue with the student Excel sheet or records, remarks, ranking, and the grade. So in the previous video, we have looked at how to get the total assessment, converting it to 50, and then we get the exam 100%, converting it to 50% and getting the total score. So we are going to now fix in our grade. We are going to fix in our grade using a function. So let me change this total score, because that's what we're working with, into one different color so it can be clear. All right. So we are going to be working with this data. Now you come to the grade section, and we set every formula start with an equal sign. But the function we are going to be using here is the if function. And if function is a conditional statement. You are going to instruct Excel based on the condition. So you start with the equal sign and type if. Then you can see the if symbol coming here. Then you double click on it and it has given you this. Now the logical test, then the value if true, then value if false. You want to look at the logical text. That is, the logical text would be the cell which you are dealing with. So we are dealing with cell H5. So if cell H5 is above 80 or equal to 80, we give the person A. If cell A5 is above 70 or equal to 70, we give the person B. And that is what you are coming to instruct Excel to do. If it is less than 50, give the person E. So you are going to be giving the instruction for Excel to follow, right? So what we got to do is that you have to, all right, so you can see the formula I've typed in here. If H5 is greater than or equal to 80, so this A5, this cell, so you use only one cell to code the entire thing and you do the autofill. All right. So if H5 here is greater than or equal to 80, just type is greater than or equal to 80. Then comma, then you put the quotation sign, give the person A, comma, if the person has 870 and above, give the person B. So look at how the thing is structured. The comma and the quotation sign is very important. Okay, this formula you can search for it from Google or anywhere and you still get the same thing. And based on, I want to make the video shorter, I just quickly type it inside. Now once you have done with this, so the latter part is saying that if H5, that is if this cell is greater or equal to 50, give the person D, otherwise give the person E. So it means that anyone who is having less than 50, the person gets what? E. So here I have not instructed to give F, but we can also do that by just putting the cursor here and typing if in the bracket cell H5, so we are still dealing with this, is greater than or equal to, let's say 40, it's greater or equal to 40, then give the person E. Then comma, otherwise give the person F. So I'm going to change this E to F. So F. So I've added something to it. So remember H5, if H5 is greater than or equal to, H5 is greater or equal to 40, give the person E, or otherwise give the person F. Now you press the enter key. and has given us what? A. So it means A, H5 here is A, is above 80. All right, and you do the autofill, and you are going to get the rest done for you. Sharp. So the rest is being filled. So it means that here the person has D are very numerous, and then we have E1, and we have any other value. So let's assume that you have made a mistake in somebody's marks. All right, you have made a mistake in somebody's marks. Example, let's say this person in the exam score, Alice had 30. Alice had 30. So you just put the 30 there and you press enter. Now just watch the value here. It's going to change because we dealt with a function. So whatever correction you do is still going to make the entire correction for you. So it means the total score for Alice is now 31.5 and means that he has F from the program we have done. Now you have done with this, we want to look at the ranking. I want to rank these in an alphabetical order or based on the numerical value. So all these are the numerical value. Which one is the first, which one is second, which one is third? I want to give them their positions. So you come and start with the equal sign, then you type rank. So we are using the rank.eq. So you double click on it. Now we want to rank this cell. So you type that one first, then comma, then you select the entire range. So the next thing is the range. So remember, we have the number, the cell number, we have the reference. So the reference is also this, and then the order. So I want to get the range is from this to the last person in my list. Okay. Now once you have gotten this, I can press F4 to make my values not changeable, and you press enter. So it means this person is the first rank, that's 85. So 83 is the highest among all of them, and you can now do the autofill to get the ranking of the rest. So you autofill it, yes, and you now have 1. The next highest value is here 82, and the next highest value is here, that's B, 71. So you see that your position is also very easy for you, and then simple as that. We come to the remarks. Now if you are able to get the grading very well, the remarks is not anything difficult, the remarks is not anything different. Okay, all you have to do is come back to the positions here, the grading here, and click copy it. And when you come to the remarks, you paste the formula or the function inside there. Paste the function inside there. Now, but the only difference we are now coming to do is that we are changing the alphabet to the remarks we want to put. So if the person has A, give the person excellent. Excellent. If the person had B, give the person very good. If the person had C, give the person good. So you are just changing only the alphabet, okay, to make the work easier for you instead of typing and recoding the entire thing. Then after good, I have credit. Then the person has 40 and above. Let me just give the person, that's E, I want to say pass. So in most schools they determine which remarks they should give, but I'm giving the person pass. If the person has F, I just give the person fail. All right, then you press the enter key. So it means this person has A, which is excellent, and I can do the autofill to get the remarks for the rest. Now click here to adjust the thing. So this is how you get the remarks to done in your work. So Excel has made our work very easy for us as teachers and to be working with. Just keep on practicing this and it will be easier for you. And don't forget to leave a subscribe, a like, and more to the point, hit the notification bell. So when I release any other new video, you will not be left out. Thank you and see you in the next video.